Hi there, today we're looking at the Lowepro Tahoe BP150 camera and or drone backpack. I've been using it for a few months now and I gotta say I'm pretty happy with it. Layout wise, it's big enough to fit my Canon EOS 80D camera with the lens attached and my DJI Mavic Air, along with all the accessories plus a few other bits and pieces. It keeps everything well protected through its padded design and is tough enough to casually throw around as you go about your business. The main large section opens right up, allowing full access, and is fitted with customizable sections attached with Velcro that allow you to lay it out to suit your gear. They can be a bit fiddly to set up, perfect for your camera size, but mine still fits in there snug and is well protected. The good thing is they are fully removable, so if you need to head somewhere for a day and don't need your camera gear, you can remove all of these and use it as a day pack. Above all of this is an enclosed section in the top large enough to store batteries, chargers, etc. There is also a memory card holder in there as well. On the front of the pack there is a zip up pocket that you can store your phone, tablet, pens and wallet and other small items. The beauty of this is it's been designed so if you slip your iPad in there it cradles it off the bottom, so if you drop your backpack on the ground it won't hit the ground like some computer backpacks do. There is also a small clip to attach something. In the front there is another small pocket big enough for a phone or a couple of muesli bars or something like that. All of these pockets are well protected like the main section. The side pockets are slim enough to fit a water bottle and each side has a buckle where you can store your tripod, which is extremely handy. The backpack is comfortable to wear with padded shoulder straps, although it felt a little awkward to me at first as I wasn't used to wearing something so small and light. It's fine now. The material is weather resistant so it will keep your gear dry in a light shower for a short period. So overall it's a great bag for photography. You can travel around, do a little bit of light hiking. I also take it mountain biking and it's great to throw my Mavic Air drone in there as well. Okay, well I'll finish off with some footage of my setup and I hope you found this review helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll leave a link for the bag below if you want to buy it online.